Today I'm going to review Shopkins Season 2. So let's open it up. This is a list of all the Shopkins, and you can check off the ones that you have. These are the Shopkins, so let's take them out. This is Cupcake Chic. This is Dribbles, and also she's fuzzy. This is Slick Breadstick. This is Bun Bun Slipper. This is Mom Kettle. This is Dishy Liquid. This is Boohoo Onion. This is Waffle Sue. This is Bart's Beans. This is Leafy. Look at these little cute Shopkin bags. I wonder about this one. There's a surprise in it. I wonder what's inside. First, guys, feel it. It feels like something. It feels like an egg shape.
An egg shape?
No, like a bumpy thing. Let's open it.
All right.
Okay.
Use your muscles. What is this?
This is Corny Cob.
Cool.
It feels like a cookie or something.
Yeah, let's see what it is.
I think I'm right. I think I'm right. What? Look.
What is it?
It's special.
Oh, what is it? Let's find out.
This is Olivia Oil, and she's ultra rare.
Cool.
I'll put them in the bag now to shop. Ding. Okay, I'll buy hers. And then you don't know to cook the old corn and toilet paper for my toilet. And waffles for Sally. And a cupcake. Oh, also an acorn. And then a baby waffle for Billy. Thanks for watching. Bye.